Hi, you're about to discover a treasure trove of free video lessons, software, and interviews with Internet millionaires designed to take you from a 9-to-5 wage slave to online money-making tycoon. You know, if you're like most people, then you probably dream of owning your own home, driving a nice car, traveling the world, and having the freedom to spend more time with your family and friends. Unfortunately, these dreams become impossible when you don't earn enough money. It's often difficult just to pay the bills, let alone find any extra. I mean, aside from the disappointment of missing out, financial stress is just plain bad for you. It can cause headaches and depression and even lead to major health problems. Ask yourself, can you really afford to carry on living your life this way? Well, the good news is there's a solution. It's free, and you can register and get started straight away. Affiliorama is your free training portal to making money online through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a web-based system where you, as the affiliate, get paid for referring sales or customers to other businesses. Affiliate marketing can be very lucrative. There are hundreds of affiliates earning full-time incomes from affiliate marketing, and a lot making even more than that. Check out these figures. Affiliate marketing is open to anyone. You don't need to have startup cash tucked away. You don't have to be a computer whiz, although it's handy if you know what Google is and how to check your email. If you're willing to learn, that's all you need. So what's inside Affiliorama? When you register, you'll be able to access more than 85 video lessons that break affiliate marketing down into simple steps, feature-length video interviews with Internet millionaires, written notes for each lesson and interview, a massive toolkit of software and resources, the Affiliorama Private Members Forum, plus ongoing updates. Now, if you're a newbie, no problem. Affiliorama starts with the very basics. You'll be walked through everything from what an affiliate actually does to building your first website. If you've already had some experience, then you'll find a vast array of lessons covering complex and cutting-edge strategies that'll help you take your online income to the next level. The great news is this is all yours for, well, nothing. You don't have to pay a thing. Okay, so what's the catch? We believe in giving you results first. That means we want you to have all the training you need to succeed online without paying us anything. We want you to earn piles of cash. And then, when you're ready, you can start earning even more money by upgrading to our premium service. You won't find many other websites giving away this much value for free. In fact, you probably won't find this much value in any product that retails for under $2,000. That's how powerful this stuff is. So, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to take action. Create your free Affiliorama account right now and put yourself on the road to financial freedom and security.